Hi guys, welcome back to one more interesting project video. In our previous video, we have worked on the fingerprint sensor and also made a fingerprint based door lock project. So using the same hardware setup with minor modifications in the code, I thought of making my PC fingerprint axis based. So this video will be very short. For more details on the components, circuit diagram and code explanation, you can refer to our previous tutorial video, which the link will be in the description box. For this project, we don't need LCD module and the solenoid lock, so I'll remove both of them. So the rest of the setup remains same. I have uploaded the modified code. In this, if the wrong fingerprint is detected, we get indication with red LED bulb. When I place correct finger, we get blue LED, and also the relay module turns on for 1 second and turns off. So next, we have to interface this setup with our computer. On the relay output side, we have to use common and NO terminals. For easy connections, I'll add jumper wires. On the computer motherboard, you can find power switch terminals to which our actual power button will be connected. So we have to remove that and connect the wires from the relay module. So these are the only connections you have to make. So now we'll see how it works. So first I'll try to give wrong fingerprint. It's getting rejected. So this time with the proper fingerprint, the PC turns on. So that's all on this project. If you want to give it a try, I'll provide source code link in the description box. And for more interesting projects, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.